everybody, this is my son taking him on an e-bike for the very first time. Gonna see how it goes. He's gonna ride his little sister's. And there it is. And he's never been on an e-bike, so this should be interesting. What do you think?
It looks similar to a normal bike.
Yep. And that's where it ends.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I wanted to get my introduction in when my son's a long ways away because he doesn't know the name of my channel yet, and I'm going to reveal it to him here pretty soon. I think he might know, I'm not sure. I have my sign hanging up in my grow room, and I don't know if he's put two and two together yet. You know, he's pretty bright, so he probably did, but we'll see. But we're down right in the bottoms here. Look at the bunny rabbit. Cute little bunny rabbit.
Okay, he's gonna do it the very first time on one. Yeah, you're not pedaling. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. When you start to pedal, it takes like 2 revolutions before it kicks in.
Oh, okay. So it assists you based on the number without even touching it.
Right.
Oh, okay.
And if you stop pedaling, it stops assisting.
Just so you know, I raised the seat up already. It's not that my sister's way taller than me.
Yeah.
I just raised it up too high to start with.
Because you want to be able to reach the ground.
Yes.
When you're sitting on the seat.
Yes.
At least when you first start.
Yes. Okay. Ooh, yeah. It's here. That's cool. Look at me go.
It's always fun to watch someone ride an e-bike for the first time. It's like the light bulbs just go off in their head.
I don't think I've ever been able to ride a bike that fast.
And that's on one.
That's on one. That's scary.
All right, well, let's go.
I'm going to take him out and we'll see how he does. It's always fun when someone goes on their e-bike for the first time. Yeah, he's still with me. The neat thing about it is it can help you as much as you need help. So, you know. All right, let's do some riding then, I guess, huh? Up here on the left, there's a bunch of dogs. I just thought I might want to warn you.
Okay.
If we go through real fast, we can get by before they come out. They won't hurt you, but, you know, you just don't want them to get in front of you or nothing.
Right.
Yeah. Yep. He's been I haven't seen him for about 4 years. And during that time I started bike riding. And so this is all new to him. He's used to seeing his dad paint on the floor. But we're out here having the time of our life. And as I always say, Makes me feel like I'm 16 again. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna tell my son my YouTube channel. I never told any of my family my YouTube channel except those that live in my house. And but I'm recording so much, I think he's put two and two together. So I think he knows. But I don't know if I don't think he knows what it is yet. So that'll be interesting. So stay tuned for that. Most of the time, they're just letting them know that we're here, you know.
Probably scared when we come up.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah, back there, sometimes they lay in the road and I drive right up on them because they're used to cars, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah. So what do you think?
I think I could go farther than I would think.
Yeah.
Just push the little button.
Yeah. You can ride according to your ability. You know, for older people.
Out of shape.
People out of shape. He said he could ride as fast as I can. I was telling him to speed it up, and I didn't have the heart to tell him that I put a higher sprocket on here, so he would never keep up with me. Keep up with the old man. He'll think I'm in really good shape. And here it's just because I got that higher gear. Yeah, maybe I'll tell him later. So all you old guys out there, you have your son, get your bike and hype it up a little bit, and then give him one that's just a little bit slower. That way you look better. Ah! Okay, this hill is one of the steepest hills in the county. So make sure you know which is your rear brake.
Yep.
Okay. Because you don't want to hit your front one, you know. Yeah. This one I try to record sometime as I'm going down, and I get a little. I can't. I gotta put my in the pocket and hold on.
Yeah.
I go 32 miles an hour on this hill without pedaling.
Okay.
It wouldn't be so bad, but there's a curve at the bottom.
Oh, all right.
I got them all. I got them all scared now. So.
Now you're just gonna go. Shoo.
And I forgot to tell you, it turns into gravel at the bottom too.
Oh, okay. Wonderful.
And then on the way back, we'll have to ride up this hill. You'll probably ride up the hill faster than me because you have a 48-volt battery.
Oh, okay.
I have a 36-volt battery, so it takes me a little bit harder to get up the hill.
Okay.
All right, let's do this, huh? I got them all worked up now. I got the adrenaline, going and stuff. So we stopped at the 5-mile mark. What do you think? You rode 5 miles already.
Wow. Yeah, it goes by fast.
Goes by fast when you're having fun.
Yeah. You're not working so hard.
Uh-huh. Yeah, but just so you know, they say that riding the e-bike, you burn 20% less calories.
Wow.
But you ride farther because
so
you're having more fun, so you make up
farther.
for it.
You might, go.
So, you might ride 4 or 5 miles on a bike and be done for the day. This you can ride 15 or 20 with the same amount of, and actually burn more calories,
The curiosity stays going because you're seeing more things.
And you're going by faster, you don't get bored. If a car comes, you kind of get out of the way sometimes.
I think gravel is more scary than the hill, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of wondered about that. But yeah, that's because I built up the hill so much. I built the hill so much that this ain't nothing. What's Dad talking about?
Yeah. Gravel's no joke.
Yeah. Yeah, especially on that bike because it's short, and so you get that thing going on. I like my bigger bike because it's longer and.
Yeah.
But those bikes are good for the girls.
Hey.
Well, and my son when he comes out. This is just bait, to get him interested. And then once he's interested, then he'll get his own bike.
So I gotta save up for how much are those?
I think I paid $849 for mine. I mean, it's not that big a deal.
Yeah. Spend that much on a normal bike.
Yeah, easy. Yep.
look at that nice sunrise up there. Isn't beautiful? It's one thing about riding in the morning, you get those beautiful sunrises. Well, we made it up the big hill. When I first started riding, I couldn't go up that hill.
Yeah.
I'd have to stop halfway and walk the rest of the way.
Sure.
It's a pretty steep hill, huh?
Yeah. It's not big. Yeah, it gets really steep.
Yeah. But yeah. Yeah. Oh! This spring, the water's supposed to go across the road here, but it washed down so bad it filled it up like you can see it is now. The creek went right down the road, washed out the whole road all the way down. And it was like 6-foot ruts. I had to go through it. It was an adventure. But it looks like they got it, pretty well fixed now. Well, here's our river crossing. And as you can see, we haven't had rain in a while, so it's really dry. I've come through here where it's all the way back up to here, just flowing like a bandit. And I'm too afraid to go through it.
Yeah.
If it's in that little gully there, I'll go through it. But if it's above that, no, I don't mess with it. I'm too scared of water. I'm petrified of water. and I don't want to, ruin my bike.
Yeah, lead with that.
Yeah. I really don't want to ruin my bike. I mean, he goes around his field there. You can see where he's been driving, but I've never been down there. Mostly because I didn't know there was a road there. I can see it now because of soybean. But yep, I see deer out here a lot.
Yeah.
But you can see why I like the fat tires.
Mm-hmm.
Going through those, I wouldn't want to go through those hills and stuff we went through with just little ones.
Normal bike
Yeah,
tires.
yeah, that'd be rough, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Hey, look, a burning bush.
Yep.
But that road we was on is over there. So all the roads they lead, but they can't get through it, so they go up to the edge of it. Well, we come almost 8 miles. What do you think about that?
Wow. Nice.
There'd be a deer stand right here, unless it's in the woods there and I can't see it. Is that what I heard?
Yep.
Dut, 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 dut.
And that dead tree sticking out.
I saw a yellow belly sapsucker. And see, I'll put that little clip in there of
Yep.
Ed Norton.
I do believe it is.
But I've seen some big bucks in here.
Yeah.
Big bucks. Yeah, during hunting season, I don't come down this road a whole lot. For one thing, I don't want to get shot. And the other thing, I don't want them mad at me and get shot.
Right. Scare my deer away.
Yeah, I walked up that hill that we went up to that field there. There was a guy, he parked and he was walking up and I come up behind him on the bike. He gave me the dirtiest look. It's like, what do you. And then once he saw I turned around and come back, then he was okay with it. He didn't want me going across that field. Yep. Gave me the dirtiest look. It's like, yeah, I could hide you. No, I wouldn't work. Well, my son's and his wife are bird watchers. And so I'm gonna take him down here and see if we can see some cranes. It's really nice down there. It's like his own little park down there. I like riding down there. I come down that hill like we did there one time. Got to the bottom and there was flames going across this field, going up in the trees over there. And I didn't know what to do because I ain't gonna call on the phone because I don't talk on the phone. Yeah. So I made a beeline home. I told Mama and she called. So I rode back down here and then about, I'd say probably 10 minutes after that, all the vehicles started to come and they spent all evening out here. They went out there in the field to put it out and got stuck with the machinery and had to come in with a tractor and all kinds of stuff to get it pulled out. If you want to see that video, I'll put a link up above. That was a pretty exciting date. So you still doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm doing good.
Yeah.
My butt's not used to riding a bike, but
Yeah, that comes in time. You'll be wishing that you did ride Mom's before we're done, huh? With that, the big comfy seat. Well, I think he's having fun. I think he's having fun. And we'll go back way over there, other side of the island. Yeah, I think it's like got 3 miles back here.
Uh-oh. Dropped the shirt somewhere.
We'll make sure it's not up there. And
then we'll see it when I look back.
Yep. Yeah, when I'm back here, I'm always mindful that if I break down, I'm walking the rest out because Mom's not going to come back and get me.
Yeah.
I think I could maybe convince her with my car, but there ain't no way she's coming with her car. But yeah, we're going back to see if we can find the shirt that we dropped. Bought a long sleeve shirt in case he wanted to cover up and it fell off. I looked at the video and I knew where we had it last, so we're trying to backtrace our steps here. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable in the morning though, isn't it, right? Yeah, I'm sending him down to look for the shirt he lost. Because if I ride down there, I won't be able to come back because I'll be out of battery. And no sense in both of us going. Stand here and cool off a little bit. Hopefully it's not, too far down there. Boy, those cicadas are loud, aren't they? Well, he's only been gone for a few minutes, so must have not been too far down there. Well, wasn't too far, huh?
Nope.
Yeah, that's good. Now you can be Batman. The Cape Crusader.
Blue man.
The Blue Man. Well, what do you have to say for your first e-bike ride? 23 miles.
23 miles. I think if we didn't lose the shirt, we just came back, I would feel pretty good, but that little extra bit kind of knocked me out.
Yeah. So what do you say to the people that says that when you ride an e-bike, you're cheating?
You're definitely getting a workout.
Uh-huh.
You just, yeah, you have to go farther. So,
And go faster.
yeah, you go a lot faster, but I don't think that the mileage would be comparable
No.
because, you have to take that into account, but you go a lot farther in one of these.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, it's definitely more fun when you start to get tired. You can just pump up the assist a little bit and keep moving. So, and that encourages you to keep going a little bit further.
Yep. All right, everybody, my beer's going crazy here, but had a fun time this morning, and I thank you for watching, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.